A concise strategic plan they have in place to try and fix the issue of water here in the metro. As you heard earlier on, the combined dam levels of the metro are currently sitting at a scary 17.55%. But the metro is confident that through its concise plan, both short-term, medium and long-term, this plan will help to make sure that in 8 months we don't face even worse crisis. Joining me this afternoon is the Acting Executive Director for the municipality, Mr. Joseph Zarire. Mr. Zarire, in your presentation you talked about both short-term, medium and long-term plans. In a short-term plan, what is there in place to fix the issue of water in this metro?
Thank you very much for the opportunity. Our short-term intervention currently is to reduce, the water footprint for the metro. We are currently consuming about 300 megaliters on a daily basis, and the short-term intervention is to reduce that consumption to about under 250 megaliters on a daily basis. How are we going to do it? We're going to be installing restrictors in domestic households in order to reduce this consumption. Firstly, we're going to put what we call a Teflon disc on each and every metered connection, domestic metered connection, and this will actually reduce, pressure on that particular household, as well as reduce leaks ultimately at the end of the day. Secondly, we're going to also install what we call water demand management device on all households that are consuming 15 kiloliters on a month, above 15 kiloliters on a monthly basis, and this will be regulated that it will dispense 500 liters per day cumulatively up until 15 kiloliters on a monthly basis.
One of the other issues that were raised in the presentation was the issue of water leaks, which dates back even before 2021 and is an ongoing problem in the metro. In terms of fixing that, how far have you gone? Are there plans to even intensify the war against water leaks?
Yes, the metro is aggressively embarked on a program to fix leaks, and we have employed the services of external service providers to assist our internal teams in actually fixing leaks. To date, from April 2020, we have fixed just under 28,000 leaks. And we have issued again plus or minus 4,000 leaks to contractors to assist us in actually reducing these backlogs. And we see actually a gradual increase in our response time, as well as the reduction in water losses in the city.
Then, sir, also another concern is the issue, the way in which residents are consuming water. What is too much water to use per day, and what is your appeal to residents, especially now when the metro is facing such a crisis?
We appeal to residents now currently as part of our water restriction notice number 8 that each and every person use at least less than 50 liters per person per day. And this, we can actually then reduce our consumption to acceptable thresholds which has been imposed by us by the Department of Water and Sanitation.
On a long-term basis, there are plans to fix the water systems, Nuclear and other plant systems. Are there plans to fix these? What are the plans? And how much supply of water are these going to bring to the metro once in full completion?
In us addressing this drought, we have quite learned lessons in the past, and we would like to adopt a program that actually build a water resilient city, over the years. Most of the programs that we are bringing in now, currently, the desalination plant, the groundwater, will actually enhance the city to be able to respond better to drought going into the future. We anticipate that plus or minus 85 megaliters will be brought in due to various interventions that we are currently implementing now.
Well, that was the Acting Executive Director for the municipality, Mr. Joseph Zarire, saying the metro is really confident that their plan is concise, strategic, to deal with the issue of water scarcity in the metro, but saying above all, the residents must make sure that they consume enough water to sustain it in the metro. Also saying they're going to fight water leaks, already have done over 27,000 water leaks, and this is a campaign they're going to embark on even going forward. So they're optimistic, but really appeal to residents, also make sure they use water sparingly. For now, let's go back to you in studio.